folks, I have a Scout ukulele to show you today. These are soprano scale instruments that I make from scraps from the wood shop. And I make maybe 8 or 10 a year, and they go out to a special email list, a waiting list. So if you're interested, drop us a line. This one is some beautiful maple from my kitchen remodel, and a spruce top. Really cool old piece of spruce with tight grain. Cherry for all this stuff in the front here. And some Western red cedar from that hot tub for the neck. I think, oh, and I've got myrtle binding everywhere. Use little black dots in the myrtle binding, which I think looks good. And I went for my little vintage Hawaiian headstock shape on this one. Geared tuners, fluorocarbon strings, bone nut and saddle, 2 little brass strap buttons. I like this one because even though it's spruce and maple, it's not that bright. It's pretty woody. Yep, so it's off to the email list. This is number 738. Cheers.